I am Vasu Jain. I have secured All India rank 67 in UPSC CSA 2020, and this was my third attempt. So, at the rank of 67, I would be getting Indian Administrative Services. Insights has been a free platform, and that is the biggest advantage which it has. So, since 2017, I have been using Insights platform for daily current affairs, and that I have been doing religiously. That is the first thing. Apart from that, also the content which the platform has provided free of cost to on different subjects, that is very good, which I have followed regularly. And in my third attempt, sir, I had a mock with Vinay sir, which was very good, and I got detailed inputs on that. So it was my childhood dream of my mother to become a civil, of me becoming a civil servant. And during my college days, I saw how a civil servant can create impact at the ground level. Different anecdotes are there, and that really kicked me, pushed me to see how a decision of a civil servant can create a change and bring change in the life of the people, which really motivated me towards this services. So I have done graduation in law from Gujarat National Law University, and in my final year, I had taken this call that I would be preparing for civil service, and since 2017, I have been preparing. In my first attempt, I could not clear prelims. I missed it by a narrow margin, but in my second attempt, I reached till interview, although I could not make it to the final list. And this was my third attempt making it to the final list. So I feel that I can't name one particular person, but it has been that I have received support from my family, my parents, my friends, and my peer group. So during my low times when I was low on motivation, my friends motivated me. During the time when it was difficult for me to prepare, my friends, my parents helped me to prepare, getting me the adequate resources. There have been mentors in my life who had guided me throughout this process. So all those people, my parents, my friends, and the mentors which I have really um, got this success. I would say believe in yourself. That's the biggest thing you can have in this preparation. There will be challenges, difficult times, failures, everything you will face. The support system can support you, but unless and until you have belief in yourself, in your preparation, in this process, you will not be able to move forward. So believe in the preparation, have faith, whatever you have done, whatever you have read, that you will be able to answer things. And if you're not able to answer, just have this confidence that if you're not able to answer, 90% of the other aspirants will also not know the answer. So with this belief, with this faith, go into the exam and prepare for this examination. All the very best.
First of all, I'd like to thank Insights team, Vinay sir, for their platform, for the free website which is there. And I would say since 2017, I have been preparing for this examination. And it has been almost 3 years, 4 years, and there has been not a single day when I have not referred to this website. So I used to read newspaper and complement that with the daily current affairs which are there on the website. So truly great work which the Insights is doing, great content, and that I think has built my base very strong. Secondly, I think for aspirants, everyone will give a message, but I had a message for the parents, for the support system, which is very necessary for any person to become successful or achieve his dream or goals. I had my support system in form of parents and friends. So I'll just start with the anecdote. Once Gautam Buddha was sitting and different people came to him with different problems. So for the first person, he said, there is no God. You go to your home, there is no God. The second person, he said, there is God. Just believe in Him, and He will help you. And for the third person, he gave certain things. You do this or do that. So disciple who was sitting near Gautam Buddha, he asked, "Sir, you have been contradicting your own statement. There is God, there is no God." And in that he said, see, the first person was agnostic. Even if I say to him that there is God, he could not believe me. And the second person was religious, was trustful, but he had certain circumstances that he was not believing in God. So I need to show him the path. I think this is a role of the support system. At different times, at different situations, how the parents, the friends treat you, guide you, and support you. That is really very important. So last year I applied for interview, but I could not make it to the final list. Just on the day of the results were announced, I received an email from my friend saying, irrespective of the results, we are proud of you. And that email really helped me to come back, to stand again. And that is the same friend of mine. While I was preparing in 2017, he used to say, "ऐसे पढ़ेगा क्या तू?" Like he used to say, "ऐसे बनेगा IAS." जा भाग यहाँ से. मतलब he used to scold me. That time he used to scold me. On the day of the result, he said, "Irrespective of the result, we are proud of you." So this is how support system works. Sometimes they reward us, sometimes they punish us, and it is their belief in us, their guidance, their support in every way, whether financial, whether guidance, whether mentorship, that keeps a person who has seen failures, who is tackling challenges, keeps moving. So in this way, I would say, if I'm standing here, it is not my effort, my hard work. It is the hard work of the whole community which I represent. My parents, my background, my friends, my mentors. And I would just thank them and also the Insights team for all their guidance, for all their content, and for all the mentorship. Thank you. Thank you.